Hi, my name's Braden Jarrett and I'm from O'Brien Real Estate Mornington. I'd like to welcome you and introduce you to 67 Dorothy Crescent, Mornington. Let's go inside and take a look. Flawless in its presentation, from the moment that you walk through the front door to the manicured gardens, this beautiful presented family property will excite those looking for a complete home ready to move in. Walking distance to all amenities, Benton Square and Main Street, Mornington, your destiny is on Dorothy. Thank you for viewing 67 Dorothy Crescent, Mornington. I hope to see you this Saturday. If you'd like to see the property on a private viewing, please feel free to give me a call.